Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen today, and today we're gonna make a pumpkin cake. So right here we have 1.5 cup of plain flour, we have 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, we have 1 teaspoon of baking soda, we have half a teaspoon of salt, we have half a teaspoon of nutmeg, we have 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, we have half a cup of vegetable oil, we have 1 cup of brown sugar, and then we have 3.5 cup of grated pumpkin. Right over here we have 3 eggs. We're gonna use 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla. So today in Selvin Kitchen, we're gonna make a pumpkin cake. So now we're gonna add in plain flour. Just gonna sieve 3.5 cup of plain flour. Just want to get all of that lumps out. I don't want the lumps or anything in it, so just sieve it. So 3.5 cup of plain flour. We have 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. We have 1 teaspoon of baking soda. We have 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. We have half a teaspoon of salt. So you see all of that lumps, we don't want to get none of those lumps in it. Cinnamon. We have 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. So guys, this is my baking tin. So now I'm just going to spray it with some oil spray. I'm going to spray it at the side. I put paper in the bottom of it already, a grease paper. So I'm just going to spray it at the side there. I don't want it to sneak out at the side. I don't want it to stick. It's a non-stick pot, the baking tin. All I do is spread it at the side, use your hand and rub it. So let the foil paper stuck on the side. So I didn't finish blending up everything, so now I'm just going to get it in a bowl. So today I'm making a pumpkin cake. So one of my subscribers said he wanted to see me make a pumpkin cake. So I'm making a pumpkin cake. So this one is for you, for all my subscribers then. So please share and like the video, and please subscribe. And if you're new on my channel and you don't subscribe as yet, please do. Please check out my video. So today I'm making pumpkin cakes. I'm going to get everything out of it. So everything right out of it there. So guys, I have a lot more recipe coming out, so please share and like the video. And please share it on your WhatsApp status, your Facebook, your Instagram. Please share it with all your friends at home, your family, everybody, please share it. So I turned on the oven already for 237 degrees. So people, this is my pumpkin cake. All I do is just shake down the pan like that, get everything down. You want to get everything level. So I pre-warm my oven already. My oven is already hot, so I'm just gonna slide it in. So I'm gonna give it around 60 minutes. So guys, my cake will be in the oven for the last 1 hour. So now I'm just going to check it if it cooked. You can have toothpick, you can use a toothpick like this, or you can use a knife. But first, you're going to use a toothpick. You just stick it in the middle, and then you pull it up. And if nothing come out on it like that, it's cooked. See? Everything come out clean. There's nothing sticking in it. So this is my pumpkin cakes. The second now, I'm just going to use the knife. Just a butter knife. So I'm going to give it 10 minutes more in the oven, and that's will do it. So this is my pumpkin cake. Hi guys, I'm back. My pumpkin cake have been cool now for the last 2 hours. So look at it people. That's my pumpkin cake. Look at the texture in it. That's my pumpkin cake people, oh my word. Check it out guys. I'm really proud of it guys. The first attempt I make to make a pumpkin cake. Marissa, what you want? My daughter, look at she. She bought this and gone. So that's my pumpkin cake people. So please share and like the video, please subscribe, and please hit that notification bell so when I post a video you will get it. And thanks for watching guys. I will see you in the next video, and please stay safe. Guys, this is my pumpkin cake. Marissa is eating now. First I'm gonna have some. You don't share it. So people, please share and like the video on your WhatsApp and your Instagram and your Facebook, family at home, friends. So
subscribe.
please subscribe and please comment down below. So, Selvin Kitchen, we see you guys in the next video. Take care and peace. You have anything to say to my YouTube fan?
Please subscribe to that YouTube channel and please tap the bell so you don't miss any videos.
So take care guys.